everyone, welcome to my channel. So for today's vlog, I want to share to you what's inside my bag. Actually, especially at this time that there's a pandemic, so I always bring a medium bag. Kung dati medyo nahilig ako sa small bag, which is ang nakalagay lang talaga ay wallet, cellphone, at lip gloss. This time medyo medium bag na yung ginagamit ko kasi marami tayong dinadalang essential na pag lumalabas tayo. So let's start. So for today, this is my current favorite bag. It's from Adidas. It's a medium bag and it's canvas ang fabric niya. So punong-puno siya, which is I discuss to all of you what's inside my bag. So first, I have my extra mask. I have my disposable mask and I have my cloth mask kasi minsan sobrang pawisin ako pagka naka-disposable mask. Nababasa siya, alam mo yung sobrang pawis. Kaya nagdadala pa rin ako ng cloth mask. Tapos ito, lagi ko tong dala every time na lalabas ako. Or minsan naman iniiwan ko na lang sa sasakyan pag may dala kami sa sasakyan. After that, syempre hindi mawawala ang ating wipes. I always bring wipes with me. And alcohol. Actually, I have 2 alcohol with me. Kasi ito, sa bag lang talaga. Tas ito yung lagi kong hawak. Which is, nire-refill ko lang siya. So, in case na maubos, at least meron ako. Ito ang kailangan natin everyday. And I have my small brush. I have my cologne. Body mist from Victoria's Secret, which is a good smell. I love this smell. Spray tayo ng konti. Yan. Fresh lang ang amoy. Tapos, I have my coin purse na punong-puno ng laman. I have my pony scrunchie. I have my wallet from LV. Tapos, itong laman nito naman ay cards at cash. I have 90 dirhams cash. Tapos, the rest, card na. Card na ng asawa ko. Tapos, syempre, I have national ID. I mean, I always bring with me. And I have a small pouch na merong mga anik-anik sa loob. I have hand sanitizer from hand cream from Bath and Body Works. Actually, hindi ako naglo-lotion talaga kasi sa kamay, kasi pasmano yung kamay ko. Pero sometimes kasi pag alam mo yung dry na yung balat mo sa kaka-alcohol mo, so nagtawag doon, nagka-hand cream ako. Pero hindi naman ako ma-hand cream. And I have here my lip gloss. This is my favorite lip gloss from Kiehl's. Ang color nito ay pink. Ito yung kulay niya. Ganito siya. Yan. Ito siya. Tapos, meron din ako sa mata. Kasi minsan pag nag-dry yung mata ko, napapatak ako nito. Lalo na pag naka-contact lens or after mo mag-contact lens. Yun. Kasi nagko-contact lens ako minsan pag lalabas. Tapos, I have here eye mo. Na lagi ko din siyang dala. Kapag halimbawa yung sobrang tagal na ng mask mo. Yun, amoy ka lang ng amoy. Tapos, I have sachet na sanitizer, hand sanitizer. Sachet naman siya. Yan. Tapos sila, tapos na laman ng aking small pouch. And that's all for my bag. So that's it, guys. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe and hit the notification so that every time that I have a new update vlog, mapapanood nyo siya. Thank you for watching. Keep safe, everyone. Bye!